exercise is a hip controlled articular rotation and in a quadruped position. And the common mistake I see with these is that people just like let their lower back move freely, which is not so wrong, but if you really want to bring more motor control in your hip joint and in your hip socket and build more mobility over time, you want to keep your lower back nice and quiet through this exercise. So as I find hip extension, I'm really staying nice and quiet through my lower back. So your hip extension might look a lot different than mine. So maybe some of your hip extensions will only be here, right? Until you start to see your lower back lift, okay? Eventually you'll increase that over time, but some of you all will just be here. And then you're gonna open your hip out to the side, right, to find external rotation, right? See again how my lower back hasn't really changed much. And then you're gonna guide your knee toward your front tricep, nice and slowly, to come back to center. Okay, again, finding hip extension. Opening the hip out to the side. It's natural to feel just like a little pinchy sensation, but not like any sharp pain. And then just breathing through that movement. And then you also want to do the other direction, so you're going to pull your knee in without grounding your back so much like this. We're going to pull our knee in, finding hip flexion without moving our pelvis so much. And then you're going to find external rotation from here, opening up. And you're going to guide your foot up, finding hip extension like we were doing before. Yep. And then guiding your knee back toward your tricep again, finding hip external rotation. Slow and steady. Nice. And that is how you do a hip car or hip controlled articular rotation. All right, happy mobility exercising. Peace out.